Sorry for me being a bit sick in the past couple of videos, but as you can tell, there's something a bit going on in the middle of April. And before the roads get closed and power goes out, why not record a stupid video? Hey guys, Gold Gamer with another video. I'm with my friend
Psycho Joe 101.
Yes. Okay. And we're gonna be doing a mystery box unboxing thingy. Let's get into this. We've been using Wish for about 2 years. Items can be great or they can suck, so basically it's a hit or miss. When ordering off Wish, it's kind of like you can get amazing things or horrible things, so shop at your own risk. Wish is a free app for iOS and Android. Or it can be... What? Or it can... I'm messing up so bad. Sorry guys. Or you can shop at the website at your computer. Tips to using Wish. 1. Always read the ad carefully. Ads include sizing, charts, and specs and shopper reviews, so make sure you check it out and be extremely careful and slow as you go. Number 2, all items require you to pay a shipping fee. Sorry, it's only a few dollar sign. It's only a few bucks, but shipping can take 2 to 6 weeks, which I know it can be long, but still you have to wait. Patience, remember. Number 3, they have a customer service contact. Broken shipping. Broken/missing shipments or wrong items. If it can be all addressed by contacting the seller. Go to order history, find item, click customer service option, and follow the prompts.
Apologize for being sick.
Sorry, I'm sick. 4. Items come from Europe and Asia, so be patient. Number 5. Items are posted by individual vendors and will come one at a time. If it seems too good to be true, it probably is. Expensive listed products like Gucci would never be on $4 plus shipping. It's probably counterfeit. There. Don't know why I did it in an accent. Number 7. Low cost equals low quality. You get what you pay for. Items for $5 or $10 are not going to be made at the same quality as a 50 brand item, $50 brand item. Wish isn't a scam. If you pay attention to that ad and item details, okay, let's go. There are 4 packages to open. 1 mystery items, kids times 2, women's, men's, in 1 bag. Let's see what's in here. They are already open because my mom opened these because they have bags inside and stuff and the check. So get out of here.
Ooh, let's see what's good inside.
And men. Let's open the children last. Let's open the women's first. Don't know why.
Well, are you?
I'm just weird.
Yes, you are. Like a calling for its mother and screaming, saying, "Mom! Mom! Mom!"
Yes, this is this.
Yeah.
These bags are like made of steel. Oh, looks what we got! Pop socket.
Yay! Okay, here's the scissors.
So here's something. Okay, then this would be useful for women like Mama Wolf, but she already has one on her phone. Where is it? Well, whatever.
Don't even
next.
But I used pencil for this, so thank you for scissors. Wow, another one. So this one's just a plain black one.
Yeah, let's see.
And the children's one. I don't know what this is. 2 kids items. Don't know how these bags work.
And I don't know what I'm talking about. What? Well, this looks
We
complicated.
got a fidget spinner.
Mine.
No way! And a fidget spinner.
Well, there goes $60 off the bag.
Let's see how they spin, because to be honest,
That right's actually
Oh.
smooth.
the balls all still move. Mama was looking at me like,
Why
So,
are we talking about this, Sonny?
they're quite good. Let's try the other one. You try it, because you haven't tried the product yet.
It's just tiny.
I know. Do the balls move?
Yeah, actually
It
smooth.
actually spins, I feel like it's because these, they act like counterweights. Because when you do this, it acts quite stable, although it just fell. It acts quite stable. Actually, wait, no. They're loose. This one's loose, which means it would off-balance it. Box number 2 is a mystery item.
Mystery item.
It's a football with
A lion.
a llama head. What? Oh, it's fluffy.
It's a unicorn. Oh my god.
It's really fluffy. You guys feel this? Ugly llama face.
Well, we'll go. That was so horrible. Going about.
Ugly llama face.
Hey. I want to say something.
Next item. Free just pay. Free just pay shipping. So, this has
What?
oh, like Minecraft wall sticker type things. I don't know.
Yeah, there's
Quickly, I'm gonna quickly open this. Okay, so we got a heart, a rainbow heart, a duck.
Jinx.
We got a smiley face,
With lines on it. Burger.
a rainbow sandwich.
And what is this? Oh
Jupiter.
yeah, planet.
2 Pac-Man ghosts.
And
We can't say it because it's copyright, but a mushroom from Mario, the plumber. That's Italian.
Kill plumber.
A watermelon with legs. A watermelon with legs.
Just call him watermelon.
Or cross.
Oh. Oh no.
Oh
We have some
no.
copyright stuff.
Oh,
Kind of looks like Pokemon there.
that looks like a toast.
I think cat here.
Cat hater.
We got Mario,
Luigi.
copyright guy. I don't know if it is copyright. If it is, sorry. We got Luigi with the vacuum that's supposed to suck up the ghosts. We got what's it called again? The Mona Lisa.
And a
got-
cat and a Pokemon.
This kind of looks like a Meowth, except not.
A Pokemon.
We got a Pokeball.
and a Doge.
Yes, the Doge. We got
The thing that you
a
cut-
mosquito.
No, that's where.
Cut rope, dude.
Oh yes, cut the rope.
Ooh.
Oh no.
Oh no. Oh no.
Okay, another heart. Do you guys know what this is? Pikachu.
Pikachu, I choose you.
Oh, wow.
Oh, whoa.
Okay, we got that thing.
We got. Do.
I just need to get some watermelon from Minecraft. I don't know why. Oh, So we got another heart.
I love hearts for eating.
got
Pac-Man.
And then the last thing I'm gonna do quickly,
What?
the scared ghost. Turns into the scared ghost because he eats the power pellet. And the last one we have is it's a meme. Stop singing. Okay, they're all 8-bit too, so they're permanent stickers. They're not vinyl, they can't peel and stick. And the last bag.
Well, that's okay.
And I already know what this is. Oh wait, no. And what we got,
Is a Deadpool shirt?
I don't know. Girl Deadpool with a bowie head on a unicorn. Men small, by the way. Okay, first off, one thing wrong. The Deadpool's boobs. The horse.
This is just. Oh my god.
This is like stretchy clothes.
Ooh,
Oh,
yay.
this is stretchy.
Why does Deadpool have boobs? That's weird. I thought he had a six-pack.
I know. Thought I'd go back.
Oh god, never mind. Why is he squeezing the unicorns? Oh my.
Let's complain.
Complaining. Came dirty. Spin around. Okay, that's the shirt, guys. Okay, I'm gonna take this off now. So that's the end of this video. Before we go, there's a ghost. Just a power pellet, which is a mushroom. Let me go. Llama. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Bye. I said bye. Leave. Leave now. We're gonna fall and die. If you guys want to get my merch, it's in the description. Oh. And like the video. Yeah, don't forget to like. Bye, guys. Bye.
10 million likes.
No. 7 billion.
No, no.
Oh, but like.
I think he really wants 10 million. No, probably.
Okay, bye, guys. Please. Bye, guys.